Welcome to this informative video about cleaning tools. In this video, you will learn the different types of cleaning tools, their purposes, and how to use them effectively. Cleaning is an important task in maintaining a clean and healthy living environment, and understanding the right tools to use can make all the difference. Sponges and cloths are some of the most commonly used cleaning tools. They are great for wiping away surface dirt and debris. Sponges are more effective at scrubbing away tough grime, while cloths are better for wiping up spills and stains. However, it is important to note that these items can harbor bacteria if not properly cleaned and dried between uses. Vacuums are essential for cleaning floors and carpets. They come in different types and styles, including upright, canister, and handheld models. It is important to choose the right vacuum for your needs and ensure that it has the necessary attachments to clean different surfaces such as carpets, hard floors, and upholstery. Mops and brooms are used for cleaning floors and other surfaces. Brooms are great for sweeping up debris and dirt, while mops can be used to wash and clean floors. There are different types of mops, including traditional string mops and flat microfiber mop heads that are more effective at removing dirt and grime. Cleaning can sometimes involve contact with harmful chemicals and substances, which can be harmful to the skin and lungs. Gloves and masks are essential for protecting yourself while cleaning. Gloves can protect your skin from harsh chemicals, while masks can prevent you from inhaling dust and other harmful particles. In conclusion, understanding the purpose and function of cleaning tools is important for effective cleaning and maintaining a healthy living environment. Always ensure that you are using the proper tools for the job and take proper precautions to protect yourself while cleaning.